Best day ever. Actually, there's a few things going on here. Honey Baby is painting some things inside the RV, and so I have basically surrendered this end of my shop to her. I kind of think it's a cool thing. It could be like, I doubt if we could ever be quite as glorious as they are, but those of you who know much of anything know about MrHevyShevy and MrHevyShevy, how they work out in the garage with the little HevyShevys doing stuff all the time, and they make videos about it, and hundreds of thousands of people come to see them because they are amazing. And I said, Honey Baby was talking about wishing she had a nice place to do her painting, and I said, well, Honey Baby, you could have one end of the shop, and we might get famous like the HevyShevys. You never know. So anyway, that's what she's doing here. It is a beautiful day. I say that knowing that it's cloudy and it's going to rain, but it's like 69 degrees in the middle of July. And I know there are people sweltering, literally sweltering somewhere, and wishing they had the kind of temperatures that I have right here. So this is how lucky we are.